Cost for traditional business is really high due to the factors mentioned earlier. That is, base of foundation, high capital is required, workplace is required, employees are required and they have to be paid as well. Inventory has to be managed somewhere and by some employees as well. So, overall cost for traditional business is really high, whereas it is low in case of digital business, it gets paid immediately. As far as timing is concerned, if you are involved in a traditional business, all day long is required. You cannot engage yourself in other activities. Whereas in digital business, you can save a lot of time because it is operated online. You can have time for family gatherings and any other tour as well. You just have to have a cell phone in your hand with internet, and you can operate your business from anywhere around the world. In case of emergency, it is very hard to replace a traditional business because there is a lot of heavy investment and heavy installation of machinery and equipment as well. Sometimes the owners of traditional businesses have to face a lot of loss in case of emergency. But digital business is easy to replace if you are not successful in a particular online business. You can always switch to another option because it is less costly. Customer reach, yes, if you go to any traditional business, a shop or barber shop or any grocery store near your home, you have to think about their closing time or opening time before going. Whereas digital business is 24 hours. जब हमने दराज डॉट पी के या ओ एल एक्स का जिक्र किया तो बेशक इन बिजनेसेस के लिए हमें ये सोचना नहीं पड़ता कि हम किस वक्त ऑर्डर करें. इवन एट नाइट और लेट आवर्स यू कैन जस्ट ओपन योर सेल फोन और योर कंप्यूटर and open the website and you can order. So that was all about traditional and digital business and its differences.